Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AWS SageMaker, train and deploy ML models step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in AWS Management Console in the search bar. Click on the first link to navigate to the AWS Management Console login page. Enter your AWS account credentials. Make sure to input your email address associated with your account. Then, type in your password. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, enter the code sent to your device. Click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the console. Type SageMaker in the search bar. Select Amazon SageMaker from the drop-down list. You will be directed to the SageMaker dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the Notebook Instances option on the left sidebar. Click on Notebook Instances to view existing instances. To create a new instance, click on the Create Notebook Instance button. Give your notebook instance a name. Choose an instance type based on your machine learning needs. Select an IAM role that has the necessary permissions. If you don't have an existing role, click on Create a new role to set one up. Configure additional settings as needed, such as VPC and lifecycle configuration. Once finished, click on the Create Notebook Instance button. Wait for the instance status to change to in service. When it's ready, click on the notebook instance name to open it. This will launch the Jupyter Notebook interface. Now you can begin training your machine learning models. Upload your datasets directly in the interface or access them via Amazon S3. Write your training scripts in the cells provided within the notebook. Run the cells to train your model, making sure to monitor the process. After training, save your model using the appropriate methods in SageMaker. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.